mahahalagang teknikalidad at patakaran sa pagtanggap ng mga ebidensya. Yan ang ipanaliwanag ng isang legal expert kaugnay ng paglilitis ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Kung ano ito, alamin sa aking report.
Since it is a copy, it is not considered an original until and unless it is authenticated. That is why, pursuant to the rules, it has to be authenticated to be considered as an original.
Yan ang binigyang diin ni Attorney Hans Santos, isang legal expert, sa kanyang panayam sa 13 sa tanghali. Dito, kanyang ipinaliwanag na pinapayagan sa rules ang pagpresenta ng snippets o clips sa kondisyong kailangang ipresenta at i-identify din ang buong recording bilang ebidensya upang magamit din ito ng depensa sa kanilang argumento. Sumang-ayon din si Attorney Santos sa impeachment court na manatili sa record ang explanation ni NBI Senior Agent John Mark Calilong kaugnay ng tanong ni Senator Judge Risa Hontiveros.
Since due process was observed because while the prosecution was allowed to make manifestations and explanations, the defense was also given that opportunity. And therefore, due process was not violated.
Okay.
And therefore, it should not be stricken off the record.
Samantala, kaugnay naman sa issue ng photocopy documents, binigyang diin ni Santos na may malinaw na batas ang Korte Suprema hinggil dito.
In the latest case, People versus Lastimosa, it was promulgated by the Supreme Court sometime February 2025. It was stated that a photocopy may be considered an original provided it complies with certain requirements imposed by the rules. And in this case, the authenticated document is precisely considered an original.